Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. So I finally reached Cappadocia, whatever you want to call it, call it. This is a freaking beautiful place. It's about 3.5 hours from Mersin, and it's about 7.5 hours from Istanbul. But it's so gorgeous. I mean, it's amazing. Just look at the creations out here. This is probably where people used to live here in the past. Because you can see a lot of caves. They have almost like homes. And we're gonna go explore this. So guys, follow me and let's check this place out. Wow, look at the sky, huh? It's amazing. A cool pottery place where they have done all sorts of decorations in the trees. This one has a whole bunch of pots, and check this out. This is evil eye tree. Freaking awesome. I mean, wow. You cannot put any spirits over here, they're gonna be blown away.
Alice, иди сюда к дереву, вот так вот встань к этому.
Wow. Look at this tree also. With all these pots. Check out all these guys on the ATVs. So over here, they've also got horseback riding. Alright guys, how you doing? This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. So I'm in Cappadocia. There's a couple ways to say it, but we're actually here at 5 a.m. in the morning, and we came to see the balloons. Just check out the view down here. I mean, this is freaking amazing with this rock formations, all the caves, the hotels. It's just gorgeous. And then if you swing this way, there's my mission. The balloons, check them. There's at least 50, if not more, balloons that are slowly making their way up into the sky. And some of them are just about to take off, so they're getting lit. But I mean, it's just like a picture out of a movie. So it's really, really amazing. And the weather's nice and cool. I mean, I came geared for winter, but it's getting warmer now as we speak. Check out all the balloons. They're just taking off right now. It's about a little after 5 a.m. in the morning. Cappadocia, whatever you want to call it. this out, man. It's like beautiful. With that sunrise just coming over the horizon. There's mountains. And those balloons everywhere. There's the city of Goreme, right there below us. Wow, look at these rock formations here.
Unbelievable.
This is the ferry.
Unbelievable.
The ferry heads.
Stunning.
And there's the dicks, right there. That's the Love Valley. Check out the sunrise that's happening over here. It's like 5:30 a.m. and the balloons are in full force. They're like everywhere. So we have a wedding going on right here in Cappadocia. Guys, normally the balloons, they're like 90 minutes to 2 hours ride. I think some of them could be as short as 45 minutes. So it's gonna set you back at least 200 euros, going up to 350. So you better be ready to make a big dent in your pocket when you catch a balloon. Guys, so this is something you will see a lot in Turkey, is the köpek. Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Check this out. There's sheep over there and lambs.
Там куры, вон.
And you got some horses.
Вот собачка встала, большая такая собачка.
So you can go horseback riding as one of the activities. And then we can cut up a sheep, baran. And check this tree out. It's really cool with all the ribbons. And it's got evil eye. And some pots. Alright, these are my friends from the trip. We came in with a group. We're having like a... Yep.
With a view.
Breakfast with a view. Yep. Look at that view.
Herhalde bizi varsa da gelir artık yavaş yavaş.
Ya quería entrar para que pasáramos todos los torneos y luego ya.
Это прекрасно. Там есть, которые залезли, видишь, герои.
Этим героям по 15.
Это пойдет, сюда пойдет, за нас себе возьмем, фотографию возьмем.
Да. Я лично
У меня что-то голова закружилась здесь, я не знаю почему.
потому что там, я сказал, что, если бы там...
Hey guys, I'm in Uchisar Castle. And, you know, this is in Cappadocia.
Алло.
So this is the view behind me. It's pretty beautiful. But I don't know if I want to climb all the way up there. This is like really... One thing about Cappadocia, there's a lot of rocks. A lot of places you gotta climb. But we'll try to climb it up there. Let's see. We got horseback riding over here. That's a fall. Alright guys, I'm going to go visit a Onyx factory, so let's check this out. This looks really exciting. There's the master making the all the different stuff from Onyx. Wow, it's all handmade. Let's check out the master one more time. It's really cool. So this is the little store front where they made all these beautiful artistic objects. from Onyx. It's very cool. So this is right here in Cappadocia. You can buy chess and checker sets. This is a really cool handmade factory where they make all sorts of Onyx souvenirs. So you definitely have to come check it out.
There's only 3 stones, 3 colors, I mean, in Cappadocia.
And there's a guy, the usta, the master who makes this whole place. He's been here since 1976. So he's been doing everything handmade, which is way better than having it done with a factory. So guys, this master over here, he deals with 3 different types of onyx. In Turkey, it's the light one, there's a slightly darker one, and the darkest one. So they, the way it works is the stones are collected from 30 meters deep, 15 meters deep, and 10 meters deep. So the one that's the most expensive, but the most beautiful, is the one that's 30 meters deep. Alright guys, something in Turkey that's very, very popular, which I really love, is the nargile. And that's what it is. And this is like found in a lot of the cafes and bars that are around throughout Turkey. So where's this music coming from? It must be from this joint right here. Alright guys, this is the Sıcak Şarap, which is the hot wine, and it's a little warm, and it goes for 200 TL, 1 glass. I think it's better just to buy a bottle of wine, stick it in hot water, and you got your
hot water, hot pot.
In a hot pot. Okay.
Heat it up at home and drink it.
Julia,
and you'll get 5 glasses.
Yeah, Julia knows it. Okay, very good. So my advice is, get 1 glass, share it, and then make your own at home.
No, don't get it.
Okay.
It's waste of money.
Okay. There we go. Hey guys, I hope you like this trip down in Cappadocia. It's a really cool place. If you're ever down in Turkey, you gotta make your way down here to enjoy it. So until the next time, this is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. Cheers.